tripped her, an old lady.
Oh, wow.
And the old
20-year restraining order.
lady wouldn't press charges because
She was afraid.
She was
She
afraid.
would retaliate because
she
she's
attacked
dangerous.
my 13-year-old
she
son
has-
that walked by. She attacked him.
Yeah.
My guinea pig's dead because of her. I used to own like a baby snake. She came into my house, wrapped it into a knot, and left.
She has misdemeanor
She's the
warrants.
worst.
Hopefully that one.
What's up, all you beautiful bastards? Good morning, welcome to the classroom. We're gonna jump right into a video from Midwest Safety. This one is titled Police Break into Rich Woman's House. I'm gonna break down everything as I see it. I've never seen this video. I'm gonna use my 6 years of law enforcement experience to teach you guys and entertain you. All right, let's jump in.
You got a warrant!
You are a liar.
Huh? Step outside! Your keys are out here. Here, I'll give them to you. You want your keys or no? I'm not lying to you. You can go and get it over with. You got a bond.
You're demonic.
What's that?
You're demonic.
I'm what?
You're a
Okay. Send me another.
Right, thank you. Appreciate it.
Ebony, come out. You got a warrant. Ma'am, who is she related to you? Okay, she has a warrant. I don't know why she has to act like this every time. I mean, we're gonna boot the door. Hey, we're gonna boot your door. You want to try to call her and just try to tell her before we kick her door in?
Okay, so there's a thing called hot pursuit. At least there is in Nebraska. I would assume it's everywhere. I don't know. But if you see someone with a warrant and then they actively run from you into a house, it's called hot pursuit, and you can kick that door down and effect the arrest. I literally one time had a guy run into some stranger's house, and there was a kid with Down syndrome watching TV when we ran through the door, and it was just absolute chaos. We were fighting this guy. This little kid with Down syndrome was freaking out. His mom came in from like cooking in the backyard and was like screaming. So yeah, hot pursuit.
Are you family to Ebony?
She's a cousin. She's trying to call her and tell her, but
Have her come out. We're gonna go in there and grab her. I don't want her to get hurt. Okay? I'm gonna watch it back till we get somebody.
she's right here behind the pane glass.
Oh, okay.
She's videoing and doing everything else. She was standing right here, and I jumped out and was like, Ebony.
Just keep it on her. I don't want her to run out of the back.
Ebony, come out. You got a warrant.
I was just going to take her to the store to get some food.
Oh no. Have Shepherd take the back.
I can't see her now, but hey, go out back. There's like it's like 10 by not even. Were you coming here to get her?
Yeah, she
I
was.
was going to take her to the pet store. I didn't know this was going on. I got here.
I think we
She's
just
like,
randomly
yeah,
saw
can
her.
I
She's
not
got
be a part of
warrants.
this
She's gotta
situation?
do it.
I think she doesn't believe she does, but she does.
Is her keys there?
So she had them in the door, and she slammed the door. And when I was talking to her and trying to keep eyes, she opened the door, took them out, and slammed the door again. So
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't want to break her.
So I guess he doesn't want to break the door. I was gonna say I don't know why he didn't just crush and demolish that door.
She's
When
got
she ran
like
in.
a couple minutes.
He's smoking a
I don't wanna
cigarette.
shatter her front door glass, but we'll take that side door.
She can't get a hold of her.
She's trying. Do you know the
Just imagine if he was smoking a cigarette.
code to get her house so I don't have to break the door? Okay.
She could tell her that she could just come out. She has a bond. It's like I'm pretty sure it's $1,000. She has 2 warrants. I'm pretty sure they're $1,000 bond each. She could bond out in an hour.
So
Instead of breaking
$2,000.
her door, her getting another charge, and having to sit on her warrants. Like
If she has 2 for $1,000, it's $2,000 total.
she could just answer the door, go get it over with, and be out.
I told you guys I would
So
educate
you're
you.
gonna get drug into this, but
I'm just trying to help you. They're going to break the door.
Tell her you'll bond her out.
She's trying to help me.
I just don't want her front door to get jacked up. And if I do take the side window,
Guys, you gotta
I just
do
wanna
what
be
you
able to
gotta
get
do.
my hand in there and unlock the front door. Yeah. Glass is gonna go everywhere.
Can anybody hear her? Is that only Shepherd in the side that he's at?
she's in there. She was standing right here when I pulled up, and she was standing right here. I pulled up. I was like, Ebony, come here. And then she turned and ran right to the door. And I said, Ebony, you got a warrant.
I wonder what her warrants are for.
With the lock like that?
I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. ADT's sure not gonna be happy.
I'm not gonna cut my arm.
Bro, come on.
Ebony Sheriff's Office, open the door!
My favorite how he wanted to do as little damage as possible, so
It's your last chance.
he
You
ended
got
up breaking this, and now he's also going to break the door.
2 warrants!
Call the cops. Someone's breaking in. Damn, that is
Open the door!
quite the door.
Back away from the door! Back away!
You just hit me with my door.
Well, we said back away.
From the door!
Get on the ground! Turn around! Turn around!
My hands are up.
Turn around.
You just hit me with the door.
Turn around!
Well,
What do you want?
Turn around!
I wonder why.
Wait. It's okay. I got her.
What the f is this shit?
You have 2
What do you mean?
I don't have a warrant. Y'all just broke in my house.
Okay. well,
Ma'am,
wait.
could you please take me away? Because so
Yes,
these people can stop holding me. They're rapists.
You got a warrant.
They are rapists.
Let's get a shirt.
They are rapists.
Did they even tell him that they made entry?
Because they want to put me with they sick ass sugar babies. Look at them. That's the first one that came to my house.
Yeah.
That's the first one that came to my house. I should have checked her car and everything.
So he's a sugar baby?
That hoe from Port St. Lucie, Florida. That hoe turned her house
Come on,
into a
come on,
proper
keep
trap
walking.
house. Me and you can talk, but they keep telling me to keep walking every time we try to talk.
We'll talk in the
True.
We ain't gonna talk nowhere. We ain't gonna talk nowhere. I'm sick of this home invasion shit. He don't even act like he giving me no instructions. He a just like the motherfucker that showed up. Stop pushing me.
Okay.
Sergeant, what's your name?
Rodriguez.
Rodriguez with the glasses. He's a just like his partners. Just like his
Can you just get
partners.
in, please? Thank you.
I can't watch him.
See if there's someone we can call to lock her house.
Okay. Thank you, officer.
See if there's someone to lock her house. Do you not forget how you guys just made entry? They're like, it's about time she went.
You're welcome. We're gonna try to get her some mental help, but it's just
She needs Baker Act.
for sure, yeah. She's got some mental issues.
The Baker Act is where they can take your guns away if there's mental health issues, I think.
Going on.
She gets dangerous out here, let me tell you.
Yeah, she has 2 warrants, so hopefully those warrants will help her get some mental help through the court system.
We've been this route before for 7 years, but
We're
we've
scared
lived
to
here.
even walk around in front of her yard.
Okay. We're gonna try to help out.
The Baker Act is a Florida law that allows for the involuntary mental health examination of individuals who are deemed a danger to themselves or others due to mental illness. It enables law enforcement officers, mental health professionals, physicians, or judges to initiate a psychiatric evaluation, which can result in a temporary hold up to 72 hours. Okay, so it's the same thing as an emergency protective custody placement. It's when you deem someone a risk to themselves or others due to mental health issues, and then you place them on a mental health hold.
Yeah, it's locked.
Oh, it's locked now.
It's locked. It's
Yeah, it's locked now.
Dude, leave me alone.
Do you want phone numbers out of your
Leave
phone?
me alone.
Do you want phone numbers out of your phone?
You are a racist, Sheriff. What's your name?
Do you know your phone
What's your
number?
badge name?
Dude, just stop talking to her. She's just gonna keep calling you a rapist. Stop. Just stop. Just
What's
stop.
Your, what's
Just
your
stop.
badge number?
It's
What's your name?
I can't talk. so
What's
I'm
your
not gonna
name? What's your badge
Just
number?
yeah.
Maybe you
Okay.
can try to talk to her. You're a racist. You're a racist. You're a racist. So I try to get her some phone numbers, but Sarge, you good?
Oh, you're good.
I'm gonna take off. Thanks, guys.
He's like, oh, he's got her, so
Don't
never
miss the
mind.
Turn right here. Don't try to go to some back road. What's your name? What's your name, racist? Now you just going real close to nothing.
Thank God. We're gonna have peace.
The whole neighborhood is rejoicing.
I'm serious. I got the 20-year restraining order against her.
Yes.
She tripped a lady walking down the street with a dog. Tripped her, an old lady.
Oh, wow.
And the old
20-year restraining order.
lady wouldn't press charges because
She was afraid.
She was
would
afraid.
retaliate because
she
she's
attacked
dangerous.
my 13-year-old
she
son
has-
that walked by. She attacked him.
Yeah.
My guinea pig's dead because of her. I used to own like a baby snake. She came into my house, wrapped it into a knot, and left.
She has misdemeanor
She's the
warrants.
worst.
Hopefully that will help. Mandate she gets like mental help.
She can get her sister somebody to make her actor. We can't do it.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, her sister can't do it either. We just read the law, lady.
Hopefully that'll help the court system pressure her into some mental help. Obviously, we know she's not
They're like, you guys want to see some titties?
the criminal of the year, but you know we want to get her mental help. So
I know.
that's our
and
goal.
she does need it. She needs to be
Yeah.
on
She does.
medication. We all agree on that.
Yes.
True,
You have
true.
no idea what it's like to
This is the
live
best
in
part of the
maze.
video.
If we called her one thing,
Yeah.
though, compared to what she calls us, would have had our butts hauled out of here, and you know.
2 o'clock in the morning, she's I walk out, walking up and down the street. She's screaming out at me, cussing me out.
This happens so often, just like neighborhood women coming out and going, I would like to tell you my side
Sorry, you guys have to
of
deal
the
with
story.
that. Hopefully this will help the court system push
And
her
they always start like 20 years prior.
into mental health court. So
Well, thanks, guys.
And,
Oh,
Appreciate it.
thank you guys. Oh,
They caught her up at Publix last time she got arrested, so.
yeah.
Did you have to make her get dressed? Because she usually runs around naked.
She
if
was luckily
No.
one of the deputies.
We didn't have to
tried
do
stop
that.
her from going in the house. She inevitably made it into the house,
That's
but
what I thought. They caught her up at Publix last time she got arrested.
Yeah, you mentioned that, so. She's like, I don't know if you know this, but they caught her at the Publix last time she got arrested, so.
And what can be a tense and dangerous.
All right, thank you, Midwest Safety, for a good one. I really enjoyed that one. Okay, time for the grading portion of the video for today. I will give the officers, okay, taking into account the hot pursuit, could they have broken that door down immediately? Yes. However, we saw how strong that door held itself up against the battering ram, which is pretty impressive. So now that I think about it, I almost wonder if they knew that their feet weren't going to do anything to that door. So overall, I think they did a good job talking to her. They were respectful. They were explaining to her what was going on before they started doing it. Her getting hit by the door as a result of her own stupidity, they advised her that that's what was going to happen. So, I mean, that's on her. I give them an A. I give them a perfect score. They were great. I don't think there was anything else they could have improved on. I think they covered all their bases. They got her into the vehicle safely, and they treated her cousin with respect as well. So, an A for the officers. As far as the female suspect with 2 warrants, she was belligerent, she was rude, she was making things up, calling people naughty names. So I'm gonna give her a D. The reason I'm giving her a D is because it looks like she's had some success in her life. So like overall her life, I'm just gonna like bump her up one. She seems to have done well for herself. We don't know the whole story, but actually I'm gonna give her an F. All right, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I'm enjoying making these. If you're new here, we do these every single day. I'd like to welcome the new subscribers here. We've had 23 over the weekend. Massive. And I wish I could explain to you guys how much that means to me. It really means the world to me. And I got a comment yesterday from one of the subscribers who said that he will see me reach 5 million subscribers at one point. So that was awesome. I love it. I love it. I hope you guys are getting something out of this. I really do try to just tell you what I know and make it entertaining and fun and just try to be unique and myself. So like, subscribe, comment. I hope you guys are enjoying it, and we'll see you tomorrow.